What's up, guys? So today we're going to be making a vegan cheeseburger. I'm going to be using the Beyond Meat burger from Whole Foods. You can buy this anywhere. And I have just some essentials: some tomato, avocado, some lettuce, ketchup. I like to use this Sriracha mayo. They sell it at Whole Foods. You can get it at Ralph's. It's pretty good. It doesn't really taste like mayo or Sriracha. I don't know what it tastes like. Same bacon I used from before. So just had the pan heated up for a few minutes on medium-high heat, and I'm going to put the burger on that. Once the burger is ready to be flipped, I'm going to put the bacon to cook first. Then I'm going to flip the burger, and I usually like to put cheese on top after I flip that. The secret to melting the cheese is to add a little bit of water and then cover the pan with a lid like I did right here. And it's really gonna melt, the steam is gonna roll up and melt the top of the cheese while the bottom of the burger is cooking on the pan. So I let this cook for a few minutes. I flip the bacon here. Make sure that you use some tongs because you don't want oil to splash up on your hands when you're trying to flip them with like a fork or something. And then so we're just gonna assemble this real quick. So pretty simple. I just already put the ketchup and mayo on the bun, the lettuce and tomato and avocado cut, and I have my burger cheese melted and bubbling. This is vegan cheese, by the way, obviously, but I'm gonna put the burger on top. I'm gonna assemble here. I mean, you don't need me to narrate this, but I recommend toasting your hamburger buns first. What that does is actually help prevent the burger from getting soggy, because if you have all these wet ingredients on the patty, on the hamburger bun, and you have ketchup, mayo, the lettuce is wet, tomato juices, all that, that's gonna then be absorbed by the bun, and it's gonna get all soggy. And I don't know, it really helps if you toast it. Unfortunately, I completely forgot about toasting it here, like an idiot. And then, whatever. It's hard to assemble this burger while you're recording. You only got one hand, so just gotta be gentle with it. But no, definitely toast it. And I did use avocado in this one, but I don't always use avocado because I have a really hard time going through and using the whole avocado before it goes bad. And I like to serve this with some barbecue wing cauliflower like I did right here. And also you can see I toasted the bun and it looks delicious. Stay tuned for the cauliflower video. It is going to be coming up in a few days. And I just wanted to apologize to you guys, let you know that I'm sorry for not being up on my game when it comes to uploading videos. But man, I have had an all-time low of motivation, and I'm trying to beat that and get back to it. So expect more videos, and expect the cauliflower video in a few days, and I'll see you guys next time.